All right, folks, Friday morning, last trading day of what's been an absolutely crazy week. Another big day in the markets yesterday. That Dow Jones popping up by about 600 plus points. This morning, we're seeing a continuation of that strength. We're just coming out of the November jobs report. The number came in much weaker than expected for non-farm payrolls. Only about 200,000 plus jobs created. They were expecting a number somewhere north of 500,000. We also saw a big decline in that unemployment rate from 4.5% to 4.2%. So some positive news, some bad news, bit of a mixed message, having very little impact on the market as we're about let's give it an hour outside of the market open. So we're looking right now, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, all trading higher. Oil's up again by about 2.5%. That puts oil at just shy of $69 a barrel in WTI. We're also seeing gold trade higher. We're seeing that dollar trade higher this morning. So again, last trading day of the week, a lot going on. We're going to get some more price action today, hopefully get a little more volatility, take advantage of it. I'll see you folks again on Monday morning.